This is VNfatBIKER. It's another year, another week, and we have another tech review. And this is the Mi wireless car charger for all your mobile phones. Okay, join me in to open this one, what's inside, and check how it works. Okay, let's get it on, guys.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Okay guys, let's open up this Mi wireless phone charger exclusive for your car's need. Okay, let's start it up. Okay, that's the Mi box. Okay. Very hard to open. Okay. We already opened it at last. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Of course, a standard manual for this Mi wireless phone charger that need to connect inside your car. Okay, we have here a USB Type-C cable, a car mount. Okay, it's a car mount, and of course the adapter. Okay, the adapter with a two USB port that need to connect to your cigarette outlet for your car to get the power supply to operate this gadget. Okay, and there it is. This is the wireless phone charger for car use. Okay, so this one, so the mounting, this is your car, install it, there's a clip. Okay, press it up, and then voila, already ready. Okay, all you need is to connect the Type-C cable, okay, as for the power supply, okay, going to the supply that was connected to the car cigarette outlet. Okay, so this is the basic one. Okay, how it looks like now. Let's check how it operates. Okay. Okay guys, these are the complete set of the Mi car wireless phone charger. So we're going to assemble it and then let's test how it works. Okay, so join me.